Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Into this video, I will just be making lavender and lemongrass water for your hair growth. So, these are two natural ingredients I'm going to be using into this recipe for hair growth. So, this is lemongrass. Lemongrass has helped strengthen. It helps strengthen hair and is very good. It helps your hair follicles and it introduces a lot of other properties into your hair that keeps your hair shiny and beautiful. So this other natural ingredients called lavender. Lavender is very important. It has antibacterial properties and antiseptic properties that protects your hair scalp from bacterial infection. It is very good to be used into your hair. So I'm going to be making the water from these two natural ingredients for hair growth. For this recipe, I will measure my lemongrass first using 2 tablespoons. This is a coffee measuring spoon, so I'm going to measure up to 2 tablespoons of it, and I'm going to place 8 within a jar of my choice, so you can use any jar of your choice. So I'm just going to measure it and then I put it within my jar of my choice. And the next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to measure the same 2 tablespoons of lavender, and I will measure that and just put it in the jar too. And then I'm going to boil my water and put in 1.5 cups into the jar where I have my lavender and my lemongrass leaves. So I'm just going to put the hot water on there and allow it to sit for 3 hours. After 3 hours, this is how the water looks. Look at it. Yeah, you can see that. So I'm just gonna use my sifter and get my water out of it, and I'll just get my water out of it. That's what I'm going to do. Guys, look at the water. Wow, look at the color of the water. Yeah, this is so packed with nutrients. So I'm just going to use my water. I'm going to put it in my bottle, and then I'm going to use it and just spray my hair, especially my scalp. I'm going to spray it all the way on the root of my hair so it can help with my hair growth. Yeah. So that's it, guys. So you can try this recipe up. It's going to be very helpful to you. It's going to help you a whole lot. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and give a thumbs up for this video, man. I know you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye.